Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef grill at home. First, selecting the right cut is crucial. Look for well-marbled options such as ribeye or strip steak for the best flavor. Before it even touches the grill, let your beef come to room temperature for about 20 minutes. This simple step ensures more even cooking. Remember to pat your steak completely dry, then season it generously with salt, pepper, and any other spices you love. Now, let's talk about getting that perfect sear. You'll want to preheat your grill to a high temperature, aiming for around 450 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also smart to create two heat zones, one very hot for searing and a slightly cooler zone for finishing. Don't forget to brush your grill grates with a little oil to prevent sticking. Then, place your steak on the hottest part of the grill and sear, each side for about 2 to 3 minutes to form a delicious crust. Achieving your desired doneness is all about temperature control. The best way to ensure perfection is by using a reliable meat thermometer. For a juicy medium rare, aim for an internal temperature between 130 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. If you prefer your steak medium, cook it until it reaches 140 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, resist the urge to cut into the steak to check. This will cause those delicious juices to escape. The final and arguably most crucial step is resting your steak. Remove your beef from the grill when it's about 5 degrees below your target doneness. Then, let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes, loosely tented with aluminum foil. This allows the internal juices, which have been pushed to the center by the heat, to redistribute throughout the entire cut. Finally, slice your perfectly grilled beef against the grain for the most tender and flavorful experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.